I am Brian McDowell. I own Zoom Home Inspections in Issaquah, Washington. We provide quick and complete home inspections throughout the Puget Sound region. We use Majordomo because our clients need further information once our inspection is complete. They need to know how much the cost of repairs are going to be in order to move forward with their transaction. And they need these answers quickly. So Majordomo provides this information in a timely manner within 24 hours or less. And our clients are very happy with the service. We started doing customer surveys about a year ago and asking several questions about what is important to clients and what information they need, what in fact they would pay more for to complete the inspection. And several items came up as interest. And one item that they mentioned that they would pay extra for is having a complete list of estimated repairs. And they need this information in a quick manner. So Majordomo provides that.